Hello again. Well, today I thought would be a great day to make some sweet and sour sauce. And the bonus will be that we are going to add pork. So it's going to be sweet and sour pork. Okay, hold on and let's get going. Be right back. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need for this is 1.5 cups of brown sugar. You're going to need 2.5 cups of white wine vinegar. You're going to need 12 tablespoons of soy sauce. You're going to need 8 tablespoons of ketchup. And you're going to need 2 teaspoons of ginger. And you're going to need about 3 cups of pineapple juice. Now, what you want to get is you want to get these cans. It's the pineapple with tidbits. Possibly 2 to 3 cans. Whatever you don't make, whatever does not come out of this. So you're going to need 6 cups of pineapple juice. So say I only get 3 out of here. Well, then you add 3 cups of water to it. Okie doke? So get your ingredients together and let's make some sweet and sour pork. Be right back. Okay, so we're back again. So now what you want to do is you want to put your sugar in your pot. Okay? I'm hoping that's a little bit better. Then you want to put your white wine vinegar in the pot. Now turn your heat on and stir. What you're looking to do is you're looking to get as much of that sugar dissolved as possible. And once you see that dissolve, then you're going to add in your soy sauce. Oh, I got to show you. Look at my new addition. Look at that little teapot. Isn't that so cute? And it's got the infuser inside of it. I think it's just absolutely adorable. Okay, I'm going to add in my soy sauce. And just continue stirring for a while. Adding your ginger. Ginger takes a little bit longer to break down because of the powder format. I'll try to break up them those little pieces of ginger that are floating around that didn't get dissolved right away. Okay, now I'm going to add in my ketchup, and it's all homemade ketchup that I make. And if you look at my previous videos, you'll see how I make sugar-free homemade ketchup. Okay, then your 6 cups of your pineapple juice. And like I said, I had to add some water to it. And of course, hold your pineapple to the side because you're going to be using that when you load your jars. Now, I'm going to take you up and I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? So I'll be right back. Now what you want to do is you want to stir this until it gets nice and hot. And that is basically the juicy sauce part of sweet and sour sauce. Now I'm going to add a bonus on because I've got a pork loin that I'm going to cut up and I'm going to throw in my jars and I'm going to can it. Okay, so just stay on with me. I am going to be right back. I'm going to allow this to heat. I'm going to cut up the pork, and I didn't want to do that all with you online. So I'll cut it up and then I'll show you when it's all cut. Okay? Don't go. Okay, so we're back again. So I cut up about 2.5 pounds of pork loin, and I cut them into size pieces like that, bite size. And I've got my pan here. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Now you use the same recipe whether you're doing chicken or pork. And you're not cooking the pork all the way through. You just want like a light coating on it. Unless you are cooking this for dinner right now. Then of course you want to cook it. Now the sweet and sour pork that I'm cooking today, I'm basically only adding pineapple and a little bit of onion to it. You could add peppers, green peppers, red peppers. Make it colorful, do the yellow. I've seen people do water chestnuts. It's basically whatever you feel like doing. Like I said, we're just doing a quick turn just to get it white. You don't really care about the inside, like I said, unless you're cooking it right now for dinner. And in that case, you want to cook it all the way through. And basically, if you're having it for dinner, make some white rice. Then what I would do is I would mix the sauce and the pork, the pineapple, and some onions and put it over your rice, and that should be a good dinner. Okay, I'm not going to stay on here just for me to keep doing this and stuff, so I will bring you back when I'm ready to fill my jars and go from there, okay? Stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye-bye. So this is my pork, and pretty much it is all white. There may be little pieces of pink in there, but that's okay. That will cook during the process. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is I'm getting 5 large mouth quarts. So what you want to do is you want to take whatever onions you cut up and divide it between all the quarts. So I think I'm just going to do like a finger full like that. I think I'm going to have some left over. Let me just put a little bit in each one. Okay. Now you want to take 1 can of your pineapple juice. pineapples, I'm sorry, and divide it up between your 5 jars. So I'll just take a scoop. Okay. The next thing you want to do is, if you're adding in peppers or any other type of fruit or any other type of vegetable you would like to put in it, you put that in then or now. And then let's take that same scoop right here and let me show you my pork. One moment. So now what you want to do is you want to take your pork and you want to divide it up equally between your jars. So I'm going to do, I don't know, 2 scoops in each jar. Just to start. Now, I have seen some people do this shredded. Me, I prefer to have chunks. Okay, so I still got more. So let me see if I could do 3 scoops. So now I have my pork in there, and I have my pineapple, I have onions, and now comes the good stuff. Now comes this luscious sweet and sour sauce. So let me get my funnel, and I'm going to start putting the juice inside. You want to fill it to about a 1-inch headspace. So it's pretty much up to the rim. And I'm hoping I have enough juice. If not, that means I gotta go make more juice. Right now I'm gonna do to that. I'm a little worried I don't have enough juice here. Which means then I have to go get another can of pineapple juice. So it looks like I am not going to have enough juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take stuff out of the one and make 4 of them. think I just washed my hands. There are my little chickens outside, clucking away. Okay, now I'll just put this stuff in these. And like I said, you want a 1-inch headspace, which is right up to the rim. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I just want to cap it off the top. So I need just a little bit more juice for that. Okay, now one of the most important things that a lot of canners forget to do, and that is to clean your rims off. So, how I clean my rims off is I get some white wine vinegar, a clean paper towel, and I wipe the top and the sides all down. You want to make sure you move your paper towel around. Don't keep on using the same spot, because if there is anything that's sticky on this, it's not going to seal properly, and you don't want that. So what we did is for 4 largemouth quart jars. So you got these 4 ready. And you want to put your lids on them. Put your rings on them and tighten them down fingertip. So I look at it where I go round and round until, and then up. And then you're going to process these in your pressure canner for 90 minutes. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the video of doing sweet and sour pork. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And please give me a thumbs up. I need some thumbs up. And also, leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Have a great day from the Polettirosa Homestead. Bye-bye.